Hey guys, I'm Abhay and welcome back to Sunny Robotics. And in this tutorial video, I'm going to tell you how to link documents and the OL and the UL element. So let's get started. So I have this random text document. So I want to link this with my web page. So I will tell you how to do that. So first I will create my new document, the HTML file, and in the body section I'm gonna write UL, which is unordered list. So what this does, 1 minute please. So what this does is that, like, suppose you wanna the text, it bullet points it. So suppose you write a text dot like, hi, my name is blah blah blah. So it bullet points that text. But in OL, what it does, wait, I will show you the UL first. So this is so what UL is, so UL is just for the unordered list and the ordered list. Well, the main form for linking the web page or any text element you want is for, so first that greater than symbol li, which is the short form of link, and then less than symbol, and then close that. Then we, in between that, we do the greater than symbol a, and then href is equal to, and the inverted commas. So in the website page language, href means the name of the element which we are gonna do link. So a href is equal to, so the link of our text is random.txt. I'm gonna end that. So it then, now from the starting a and the ending a, we are gonna write the name what we want. So suppose click here to get random text. So now if we test this, you can see it's in a bullet point, and here's the link, click here to get random text, and when we click that, the random text file comes. And now if we change this with UL, the OL, so it will number it. It will give a numbered list instead of a bullet list. And I'm gonna change it here too. OL, done. So now look, you can see that it's a numbered list. Well, it's the same, so it doesn't matter. So even if we don't do that, even if we don't add the OL/UL, it will still work, but it won't have a bullet point or a number point. Well, actually it does. So here it is. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, then comment it down in the comment section below. Please like the video, subscribe.